what's going on? Sarah Hall here, the Wealthy Optimist. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Today we are doing another DIY Sarah fucks with her hair video. You guys seem to love these. I have done quite a few of them now whenever I decide that I want to try to mess with my hair. But I have not done one where I filmed it in London yet. So we are in my flat in London and I'm gonna mess with my hair. So if you want to see me tone my hair as it is right now to something ashy blonde, then keep watching. All right, so today what we're doing is there's a lot of red undertones. So have a look at my hair. I'll pull it like this so you can see. So that's my natural hair color, okay? Like the roots, obviously. And then it's a little bit dark. It's kind of the same color as my eyebrows. It's like a kind of dirty blonde, mousy brown kind of color, right? So I haven't had my natural hair color for a really long time, but what is going on with my hair right now is a bit of a mess. It doesn't look horrible on camera, but I tried to put my own highlights in, which you can see are these big, you know, stripes. I did them not very well at all. Wasn't a good day. My hair is greasy right now too because I didn't wash it so that it would be a little bit less damaging. I don't know if that's actually true or if that works or not, but I left it a little bit greasy, didn't wash it this morning, so hopefully it doesn't damage as much when I put the color on. But what we're gonna be trying to do is pull a little bit of this red color that's pulling through from a dye that I used. We're gonna try to tone that down, and then we're gonna try to tone these guys, all these little ones that are blonder, into a more ashy kind of blonde color. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. You can see how bad these highlights are. And I'm just putting it all over my head. It's 20 minutes processing. I'm using Lou Color, L'Oreal Professionals, Paris. L'Oreal's a great brand. This is not sponsored. I wish it was. L'Oreal, get in touch with me. So I'm gonna be mixing this whole one. The color I'm using is P01. So you can see that, so P01. This is what the girl at the Sally's Beauty store here in London on Oxford Street recommended that I used. So we're going with her recommendation. So Alicia, if you're watching this, hope it turns out. Otherwise this is on you. And she said I need to mix it with 10 volume, which as we know, we mix it with 10 volume, but this is the smallest bottle they had. So I have enough to dye my hair for 17 decades. If anybody needs some 10 vol, comment below, I will send you some. So we're gonna be mixing, this is a 1 to 1.5 ratio. So this is 50 milliliters here. I'm gonna mix 75 milliliters of this stuff. Not sure if I'll have enough. It's gonna be pretty close. So mix 75 milliliters and 50 milliliters of this into a bowl, and we've got gloves, right? I have gloves still from when I put these little bleach spots in my hair. Literally, that's what they are, bleach spots, and a brush. I also have a comb, but since I'm putting it all over, what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna paint all of the kind of root spots because I want it to pick up a little bit of the roots, and then I'm gonna pull it through the ends after. So I'm gonna get right into it. I'm gonna mix it up. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. I don't have a measuring cup, so I'm actually gonna have to free pour that. So pray for me. I don't know how I'm gonna measure that. Did not really think this through. What can I use as a measuring cup? Definitely don't have anything. Well, it is a Sarah fucks with her hair episode, so we'll see how it turns out. It's a lot in there. Okay. Oops. Already got it on my hands. Okay, so that's how much is there. You know what? I think I can free pour it. Let's see. I'll just try to match it to that plus 25 milliliters more. I don't know why I smelled that. Don't smell that. Oh, I hope I don't mess this up. Let me see if I can find something that's a measuring cup. I don't think I have anything though. Okay, check it out. I have my shaker cup from my health company, and it's got milliliters on the side. So there's 50 and 100, so I'll just pour in almost at 100. How convenient. Look, that's probably 75 milliliters, I think. It looks like a little bit more. Oh, doesn't pour back in very easily. You have to make sure to really wash this cup out. Okay. So there's that. Ow! Who put that heater there? Damn. And you know what else too? I went to the gym. I'm doing this crazy, not crazy, but I'm doing a lot of kind of boot camp, body pump, full body workouts because I'm trying to get abs in the next 2 months. Might take me a little bit longer, unclear. But I have great results coming along so far. But I did some arm workouts. Like, I have no arm muscles, but my my arms have such bad DOMs, that like delayed onset muscle soreness, that I can barely lift my arm up like this. Like, I feel like I have dead arms right now. Like, it's so painful. I was holding my cell phone up. See that that angle? I was holding my cell phone up trying to talk because today's my brother's birthday. Happy birthday to my brother. My brother's name is Justin and he's 28 today. So happy birthday to you. And you guys can all message him happy birthday. He'd love that. But yeah, I was trying to talk to him and wish him a happy birthday, and I could barely hold my phone up. So choosing to dye my hair today, not sure if it's a good idea, but we're doing it. I digress. On we go. So we're mixing this up in a food bowl. Don't worry, I'll make sure to really clean it out later. And we're just gonna throw this on there. I'm really excited. My channel has hit over 3,000 subscribers, which is so exciting. I want to thank all of you guys for watching. Some of my videos have getting a really lot of traction, which is exciting. So I want to make more videos that you guys enjoy watching. So comment below and let me know some video ideas that you think I should create. And I'm happy to do that now that I moved to London and I'm living here full time. I'm still going to be traveling, but not nearly as much as I was last year when I was traveling forever. And I have tons of travel videos still that I'm going to be working on. This is a really nice creamy consistency. If I left this on the counter, you could mistake it for like butterscotch pudding or something. So yeah, comment below. Let me know some videos that you'd like me to make. And I'm happy to do that. I've got some time now that I'm here. I still need to get set up a proper area to really film. But yeah, okay, let's do this. So use a towel if you're gonna be doing this at home yourself. I'm not going to use a towel because I don't care, but I think I need to raise this up a little bit so you guys can see me better. The trusty books. Books always help. There we go. That's better. Should have started the video like this. God. Okay, here we go. So we're just gonna dive right in there. You can split your parts however you want. Like I said, I am not in the best shape today, so this is really freestyling. We're really just gonna get in there and do this. Hey Siri, set the timer for 20 minutes.
Okay, 20 minutes and counting.
Thank you. Siri's so handy. Okay, so we're just gonna do this. So what I like to do is go right down the middle, and then it's really hard to do this right now because I'm using the camera as my mirror. I need to figure out how to set up a proper space in my house to film videos. Where do you guys think I should film the videos? I think I will do it in the living room, the room I'm in now. I just need to make a better backdrop. Not sure how yet. So doing down the middle and the sides. Really think I should be using a proper mirror for this. Hopefully this turns out okay. At least it's just, I'm just toning. I'm not doing like a full color or anything. Okay, and we're just gonna do this and flip it over and do that all over. Okay, I'm probably gonna fast forward through this part because this is boring. Oh dear God, what have we gotten ourselves into here? See those really bad highlights? Yeah, I did that. After I'm done doing this and toning it, I'm gonna leave my hair alone for a little while, and then I'm gonna go to a salon and let somebody who's professional fix it, because I want to get a full head of highlights. Ow. See how it's like all this red in here? I used some kind of warm colored dye. It was like an NW or something, so it's like a natural warm. It's a terrible idea. And now my hair keeps pulling red, even though there's no reason for it to. There's no red undertones in my natural hair color. Yeah, if you're gonna do this at home, please do a better job than I'm doing right now. This is like the laziest. I'm also a little bit hungover. So it's like hangover and my arms are broken hair day. Don't know what I was thinking. Maybe Brad Mondo will put this on his hair fail channel. Hopefully it doesn't fail though, because I would like it to just be a nice tone. This is probably one of the worst videos I've ever made of me doing my hair. All that red crap, get out of there. You know what, actually, there's a worse video where I didn't have a proper brush and I was in Florence and I had to do my hair because the guy really messed it up at the salon. That time I did go to a salon and he took like 5 hours and literally didn't change the color of my hair at all. I was so annoyed. And I was there forever, like forever. And he was like, oh, come back tomorrow and I'll fix it. I'm like, you just had 5 hours of my life. I'm never coming back here. But then I had to use a pastry brush because that's all he had at the store to paint my hair. That was fun. I miss Florence. People say, why don't you just go to a professional? Because this is way more fun, obviously. Okay. So that's all in there. Now, I'm gonna put it under the back. And pull it through everywhere. So I'm just gonna put it right on my gloves. Good job. I wonder if when I'm old, like 80, I'll look back and watch these videos and be like, what the fuck was I doing? Sorry for swearing, kids. Ow. Again with the heater. Who put that heater there? If this doesn't change the color of my hair at all, I'm gonna be really annoyed. Sorry, I just noticed there's like a crack in the wall and that's what I was staring at over there. I was looking to see how far up it went. It actually goes like all the way to the roof. Okay, so now this is all in there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brush it through. So let me get a hairbrush. And that way, make sure I didn't miss any spot. Hey Siri, set an alarm for 20 minutes.
Okay, I set an alarm for 4:11 p.m.
Get her to set another alarm, so now that it's all in everywhere. This is probably not a nice way to treat my hair, brushing through this. Why do my arms look so big? God, I'm trying to make them smaller. They look huge, like gross. Ah, that hurt. I used to have nice skinny little arms. I don't know what the hell happened. It's like any weight I gain is like going to my friggin' arms. Does that happen to you guys ever? Okay, so see how it's changing color a bit? Okay, well, that's it. I'm just gonna massage it in a little bit more and then I'm going to leave it in for the 20 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it out. And then I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like. Are you as excited as I am? Prayers are appreciated. Ready to go? Hey guys, okay, so I had a shower, I washed my hair, and this is what it looks like. It's not crazy different, but it did tone down some of the red. I hit my head on something there and I have this big bruise. But you can see it toned down some of the red. I will put a photo so that you can compare it side by side, but it did tone out a lot of the stuff. Didn't change it too dramatically. It looks a little bit more natural and muted now than it did before. It's really bright in here. Where's a better angle? There. But yeah, you can see it's not crazy different at all. There's still red in there. I'm gonna leave it alone now, and you can see the roots picked up a tiny bit. But what I'll do is I will leave it like this now until I go to a hair salon and let a professional do my hair. Okay, thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this ridiculous video as much as I enjoyed making it. And I will see you in the next video. If you like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment below and let me know when the last time was that you messed with your hair, or if you're strongly opposed. Love you guys, bye.